Today I will teach you how to make shakshuka. It's egg with a lot of vegetables. It's very healthy and I like it so much. First we have 4 tomatoes and we have 2 chopped onions, some chopped onions like that. And we have 4 eggs and we have 1 green pepper. It could be hot or not as you like. If you like it spicy and if you don't like it spicy. And we will need 2 spoons of oil, and we will need black pepper and salt, of course. First we added the oils that we talked about, then we added the chopped onions, and we keep doing this till it gets this color. When it gets this color we added the pepper. After some time we added the tomato, and then we added the salt and the black pepper. After the vegetables get the color, we hit the eggs like that, and then we put the eggs. And you have to make the eggs in a tival pan or a ceramic pan. It will be better for the egg.